Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is video 5 of altcoin watchlist series. I hope you guys are enjoying this series and there are many more videos to come. In this video, we are going to look into an altcoin that is a small cap, micro cap, and this can be the next 10x or 30x or even 100x if we play this right. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. If you're joining me for the first time, it would be great if you can subscribe to the channel and like this video. So let us jump into today's altcoin. And this altcoin is Define Network. So what is Define? Define is a cross-chain, multi-chain DEX. Okay. So cross-chain bridges are key to ecosystem growth by preventing fragmentation of liquidity across chains. They improve efficiency and price discovery. So Define started as a DEX or decentralized exchange on Matic network, and now they have become cross-chain decentralized exchange. So these are certain features of DeFi network: instant gasless transactions on layer 2. They have plugged in with router, so that gives them this ability to become a cross-chain DEX. They are already live on Polygon and Phantom, and they will soon be available on other blockchains also. So why is this in the altcoin watchlist series? It's because it's a very micro cap and it's a good DEX. It's in fact one of the leading DEX on the Matic network. So if it again catches some good momentum in the market, then this can be a very good risk to reward investment returns because it's currently sitting at only $3.6 million market cap. Now again, if anybody is joining me for the first time, then this altcoin watchlist series does not mean that you invest in the altcoins right away. There are thousands of altcoins in the market. I navigate, I research, and I shortlist some altcoins that can be an interesting buy if you buy at the right time. So again, these altcoins can also go to zero. Just because I am sharing them with you does not mean that you immediately buy. You do your research, and when you find them in a good buying zone, buy with some of your risk profile and build your positions. So just because I am sharing them does not mean that you go and buy. Of course, if I find a project interesting and good and solid, then only I share with you. So it's not a bad project, but it does not mean that everything will go to moon. We are in a bear market and extended bear market. So this is one of the great times, best times to judge a project. So if you like Define and if you like its potential, because it is just 3.6 million market cap, its fully diluted market cap is at around 7.8 million. So there is not a huge gap between the circulating supply and the total supply or max supply. And hence, I think this is a good play, at least when it comes to micro cap gems. When we are talking about 3.6 million, even if it goes to say $50 million, it is easy 12x, 15x from here. If it goes to 100 million, it is at least uh, around 30x from here. So it's a good risk to reward ratio, in my opinion. If we go and check, I insist you, please go and visit their website, look at their roadmap, look at everything without fail, talk to their community on Telegram. Only then make your decisions. So you see, these are their partners. They have good enough partners and good enough backing. These are their investors, and it's a project which has been there, which has been around, and hence this is a good project that should be on your watch list. So go and follow them on Twitter. You see, this is their Twitter page, and they have around 37.9K followers. With this link, join their Telegram and talk to the community, because this is a cross-chain DEX and we are becoming a multi-chain or a cross-chain economy. So if you believe there is a huge potential for cross-chain decentralized exchanges in future, then DeFi can be one play. If you go and look at their chart, then its all-time high was at around $3, $3.1, and currently it's just at 3 cents. So it has fallen down a lot. And if you want to take risk, then I think in the bear market or at such low prices, there is a good risk to reward ratio. Of course, it can go to zero, or it can go to it can keep going sideways, but eventually, if it has to pump, if you think this is a good potential to pump whenever bear market sorry bull market begins, then I think accumulating some in these zones would not be a bad option. Again, don't go all in, accumulate in parts if you want to. This is just my advice. It's not a financial advice. It's your money, so you can do whatever you want to with your money. If we look at the define ETH chart, it is very similar to the USDT chart. And you can see over here, as we have come to these zones, we are seeing good increase in the define ETH volume. So in my opinion, if we get a good dip, whenever we get a next good dip in the market, I think a small bet or a small accumulation of define would not be a bad idea if it's in your portfolio to invest in such low caps. So since it's a 3.6 billion market cap, it looks very attractive to me, and that's why it is in this watch list. I think below 2 million market cap, if we get a chance, it would not be a bad option, because even if it goes to 20 million, and if your buy zone is below 2 million, then it is an easy 10x for you. So overall, I think this is a good project that should be on your watch list, and hence I am sharing this with you. I hope you find my videos valuable and helpful to you. If you do find them valuable, please do share it with others, and please subscribe to the channel and help me grow this channel. Take care, guys. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.